We're going to make aloo palak, and I have a teaspoon of jeera that is popping in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now to the jeera I've added 1 medium-sized blended onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. So I'll cook this until it fries to slight gold. In a blender I am blending about 1.5 tomatoes, and I'm using cherry tomatoes, but it adds up to about 1.5 tomato, and I am adding 2 green chilies, and I'll blend it to a paste. Once our onions turn slight gold, we're going to add the tomato paste and then later add the dry spices. I added salt to taste, and mine was a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of haldi, and later on you can always adjust the salt to your taste. So I'm going to cook it till the oil separates. I've added 3 to 4 cut potatoes, and I've added a 1/4 cup of water to help the potatoes cook faster. Goes a 1/4 cup of water to help the potatoes cook through, and I am going to cook these potatoes for 10 minutes with the lid on medium heat, and then add the saag or spinach. After about 10 minutes, this is what it looks like, and I have been moving things around, and you can see some of it has slightly touched. So what I'm going to do is add another 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of water, and I'll mix everything through. And now I am going to add the spinach. So frozen spinach, which is about 12 ounce of spinach, or 340 grams of spinach. 4 cups was enough. So I'm going to add this to the potatoes. I'll give everything a good mix and then cook it through for further 10 minutes, and then check. We will cook until the potatoes become soft and the spinach gets cooked. So I'll check it in 10 minutes. I'll cover it and put the lid on and check it after 10 minutes. So I've opened it after 10 minutes, and I think I need to cook it a little more, so I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes and then check the potatoes and the spinach. I did adjust the salt at this point, and now I'll cook it for another 10 minutes and add a tablespoon of water to help it cook. Water, and so we will check it in another 10 minutes. So we'll close the lid, and in between keep stirring. So in another 10 minutes, this food is ready to serve. Saag Alu is ready to serve. Serve it with roti or ugali if you like that. Like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Have a great day. Saag Alu is a great winter meal, and saag is supposed to keep you warm during the cold winters. Do try it. Like, share, and subscribe. See you later.